if it's like really
No,
bad.
no, it's like, no, it's like, over here on the 101, oh yeah, it can get really crowded from Novato down to Civic Center.
Yeah, a lot of the time it's from 37 all the way to the
Civic Center?
580.
Yeah, exactly.
Guess a lot of people work in the East Bay, so they just take that
Correct.
way.
Well, actually, the big direction for the Richmond Bridge in the morning is to Marin, not to Richmond. There's 71. Bye-bye. I'll see you soon. Marine City. Marine City. Goodbye for now.
Yeah, this whole section is like some type of work at night, but
Yeah.
they're working. Like, is it trying to make it wide? But
Yes. Actually, the Petaluma section is already done, but the Novato section is yet to be completed.
Yeah.
So what will happen is, it used to be 2 lanes.
Yeah.
Now it's 3 lanes, and then you have a carpool.
Yeah, that's the. And then they did put 1 lane out of it too for tree work last couple of nights, so it's even. It's, I don't know. Yeah, for a while they had a ramp to a 37 off and on every other night. They were working. And yeah, it was very random. So I ended up going towards Lakeville and just go to Sonoma that way, just to avoid all that.
Yeah, Lakeville, Sonoma.
Gulch and
Of course.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is Highway 12 is really bad. Like leaving Napa. Oh my gosh.
Highway 12 up to you.
Yeah, yeah, but I only take it to where Napa runs up and it goes
Right.
to Sonoma.
Take the back way, and then you go through downtown Sonoma, and then Napa Road. Oh yeah.
To Arnold and then
and then you go Highway 12. Yep.
Yeah. To get over to
Actually,
Lakeville.
121. Sorry, that's 121 and 12.
They have like events at the racetrack. I not really like driving to there on those days. Like,
no!
It's really much more backed up.
Yeah. When you have race day, I would say this: if there is a race day, that's the day where it will gonna be like. If I were needing groceries, I'm gonna be like, can we do it next weekend, please? Because there's, heavy congestion along 37 because we do our grocery shopping in Vallejo.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Oh, hello. There's a fog. I see you. I can see the fog.
Yeah, there was a whole wall of fog last night. I was going down Fillmore, and from the highest point, I can just see the wrapping around.
Right. Hello,
that was
Waldo.
So cool. Yeah.
Where's Waldo? Where's Waldo? Oh, so sorry. Oh, there's a fog. Hello. There we go.
It's like allowed 2-hour parking. That's like the hard part to
hello, big bus tour.
It's hard to tell it's my or wasn't Orion at one point. Like, but it's nice. Like, build it like that. Or they take like old Orion buses and make them into a second floor, so convert them, I guess, to have a second floor. Like,
Hello, Sunol, 680. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know if people will want to see the planes with it.
oh yeah, yeah. Most of the time it's still foggy. There's days it's completely clear, like no fog. There's days that's like completely no fog. That's a big change from like it's it is a little more than usual, but normally just the top of the towers you can't see.
Yeah, see, that's the thing. It's like, you know, if you really be successful, you know, if you really want to take a wonderful picture of the Blue Angels, yeah, take away this fog first. Come on.
Yeah, no, it's yeah. Oh yeah, it's.
All right, now I want to hear the headlines. KCS. Squad, okay. Your phone. Oh, ding. Oh, what the heck are you doing?
No, like GPS. Yeah, to count to 19th, I have to.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, well, sometimes I'm here. They don't. Most of the time, they don't let you merge back.
Oh, I see. I'm like, wait a minute. What is that? Beep.
Yeah, the speed limits aren't
Oh,
really
I see.
updated. Yeah.
Okay.
Mostly for traffic, but we're around really well. Like,
all right, so let's see where that bus is. I give you an idea. Okay, so it's heading east right now, and it is near Lincoln High School.
oh yeah.
Yeah, on Quintara.
Yeah, I went to some school there.
Or yeah. You know who goes there, right?
Oh yeah.
You know who goes there.
Yeah.
Who?
Not Landon.
Landon.
Yeah. Yeah, that's when high school.
Yeah.
But they were like two years before me, but they were middle school, but pretty good school.
I know. Oh God, latest from Ukraine again. Actually created a line map that will integrate the 58. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to you once we get to the 19th Irving.
Oh yeah.
Because what will happen here is so if you need to, you know, like are you going to still take the car in like for later, or were you going to take the bus?
No, I always take the bus. I usually just park the car, just take the bus. I prefer the bus over a car.
Oh, I see. Yeah. How about this one? After this